This is the introduction of the Sonosax M2D2 for DSLR use. After having inserted a battery, you can just switch it on by pressing both buttons during 2 seconds, and then you can see the screen. Basically, you have here 2 audio analog inputs, one AES input, one USB-C input, and then in the outputs you have one AES output and one analog stereo unbalanced output and headphones output, but you can also output from USB-C. And then the power solution, you have the battery, but you also have power from USB-C and a Heroes 4-pin. So now let's see in the input menu where I put a microphone with 20 dB with a low cut. You can go to 300 if you want, put it on 60, and then I assign this to the outputs. In the line out, the mic, the left one goes to the left, the mic 1 is going to left, but I also assigned the mix to the right. The mix is actually a very interesting menu function for this DSLR type of use, because you usually don't have such a big dynamic range on DSLRs than 132 dB, which you can have on this M2D2. So in the compression menu, I've put some settings to compress the signal on the mix channel, and you can see that it starts here at 20, and you will never overload it. So on the left side you can see the direct input of the microphone, and on the right side is the compressed signal. So it's nice, a very nice compressor limiter which is inside the M2D2, and it's very interesting to use it for the DSLR use. Now to put this on a camera, you can use this kind of tool, a 3D printed, which you can download from internet. I can send it to you, and you have the possibility to put some hot shoes mounts for 3/8 or 1/4 20 to put directly on the camera, or you can also use directly with some Velcro tape to put it on your camera vlog plate, for example. There are some screws here. You can also attach your own device. So this is basically the introduction of the M2D2, and I'm going to switch it off, and thanks a lot for watching.